All right, get ready for some big waves. The National Weather Service says they may hit 20 feet starting in just a few hours. For more on this, let's go to ABC 7 News meteorologist Sandy Patel. Surf's up, Sandy.
Yeah, Dan, and take a look at those wave heights currently 10 to 12 feet, and they will continue to build. We do have a beach hazard statement, 2 a.m. to 7 p.m. tomorrow. Northwesterly breakers may reach up to 20 feet, as you mentioned. Strong rip currents, sneaker waves are certainly possible, so something you'll need to watch out for. Right now, the waves are pretty gentle in Santa Cruz. If you are heading there, you will definitely need to keep an eye out for that. Live Doppler 7 showing you a much quieter picture, despite the fact that we did have a few showers through the afternoon hours in the North Bay today. There are more rain chances in our future. I'll be back to let you know if those rain chances will be coming in this weekend or if they'll hold off until next week. Amma?